Hi guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. And this one is going to be a little bit different. Inspired by a bunch of other YouTube videos, I am going to mix every color of Fimo Soft and see what happens. So in this package I have 24 colors, including every Fimo Soft color and also glow in the dark clay. And looking at these colors, my guess is that the mix is going to end up being a pretty dark, probably brown or grayish color, since we have a lot of darker shades and they tend to take over when mixing colors. But to be honest, I really have no idea how it will end up looking like, and I'm also excited to see if the glow in the dark clay will have an effect in such a small concentration. But let's get started with this little experiment. So after taking out all of the colors, I started cutting out smaller parts of every color to make the mixing easier and also to avoid wasting a bunch of clay. But now, all that's left to do is just mixing. And I quickly realized that mixing them by hand will take forever, so here I am using my pasta machine to help with the mixing. So here you can see how the clay looked like after going through the pasta machine a few times. And especially here in the beginning, the colors blended in such a beautiful way, and you get a different look every time it has been through the machine. But slowly, as you can see, the colors merged into this one gray color. So yeah, if you've ever been curious about what happens when mixing all Fimo Soft colors together, now you know. They will create a gray looking color. But before I end this video, there's one thing left to do, and that is to test if this clay will glow in the dark. As you remembered, I used all of the Fimo Soft colors, but also the glow in the dark shade. So let's turn off the lights. It doesn't really seem to glow, and especially when comparing it to the real glow in the dark clay, you can really tell that it doesn't glow at all. Which wasn't that surprising considering that it was such a small part of the colors. But anyways, that was all for this little experiment. Let me know in the comments what video you would like to see next time. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!